Looking for the best hedge trimmer to keep your yard looking sharp? With so many options out there, it can be tough to choose the right one. Don't worry, I've tested and ranked the top hedge trimmers from budget-friendly picks to the most powerful machines, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Starting off our list in 5th place is the VEVOR HT2410, a gas-powered hedge trimmer that packs a punch but lacks some key details. If you're looking for a machine that doesn't rely on batteries or power cords, this could be an option. However, compared to the others on this list, it leaves a few too many questions unanswered. This trimmer features a dual-sided 23.2-inch blade, giving you decent reach and efficiency while trimming. It's designed for handheld use, making it easier to maneuver, and it even comes with accessories like a blade cover, gloves, and ear protectors. Plus, it's EPA, CE, and EMC certified, meaning it meets safety and environmental standards. But here's where things get tricky. VEVOR doesn't specify the cutting capacity or weight of this model, which makes it hard to compare with the competition. Without knowing how thick of a branch it can handle or how heavy it is, it's difficult to recommend over more transparent brands. If you prefer a gas-powered trimmer and don't mind a bit of a gamble on the specs, the VEVOR HT2410 might work for you. But if you want proven cutting power and detailed performance specs, you'll probably want to check out the other options on this list. And if you're interested in any of the trimmers I'm covering today, I've linked the best deals in the description below. In 4th place, we have the BLACK+DECKER BHT150, a solid pick if you need a simple, lightweight hedge trimmer for small jobs. It's affordable, easy to use, and perfect for light trimming tasks. However, it falls short when it comes to power and cutting ability compared to its competitors. With a 3.2 amp motor and a 17-inch blade, this trimmer is great for light to moderate trimming around your yard. The dual-action hardened steel blade helps reduce vibration, making it more comfortable to use. Plus, it weighs only 3.9 pounds, making it one of the lightest trimmers on this list. So if you don't want to deal with heavy equipment, this is a big advantage. The biggest drawback? It's corded, which means you'll need an extension cord and easy access to an outlet. That limits your mobility and could be a deal breaker if you have a large yard. Also, the cutting capacity is only 5/8 inch, so it's not ideal for thicker branches. If you need more power, you'll want to look at the other options in this video. If you're on a budget and need a light, easy-to-handle trimmer for small tasks, the BLACK+DECKER BHT150 is a decent choice. But if you're tackling thicker branches or need more freedom to move, you'll want to look at the higher-ranked trimmers. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Moving into 3rd place, we have the BLACK+DECKER BHT350FF, a step up from the BHT150. This one offers more power, a longer blade, and better cutting capacity, making it a stronger option for those who need something reliable without spending a fortune. The 4.0 amp motor gives you noticeably more power, and the 22-inch dual-action blade helps you reach further and trim more efficiently. It also has a full wraparound front handle, which makes it easier to control and maneuver while working on different angles. With a cutting capacity of 3/4 inch, it can handle thicker branches better than the BHT150. However, just like its little brother, this trimmer is corded, meaning you're still limited by an extension cord. Another minor annoyance is the trigger design, which requires constant pressure while using it. Some users find this tiring during long trimming sessions. This is a great pick if you don't mind a cord and want solid cutting power without going cordless or gas-powered. But if you're looking for more mobility, you might prefer one of the next two options on the list. Coming in at 2nd is the WORX WG261, a fantastic cordless hedge trimmer that balances performance, weight, and affordability. If you're tired of dealing with power cords but don't want the maintenance of a gas-powered tool, this could be the perfect solution. With its 20V max lithium-ion battery, you get the convenience of cordless operation without sacrificing too much power. The 22-inch dual-action blade gives you good reach, and the D-grip front handle makes it easy to hold and maneuver. At just 5.5 pounds, it's also lighter than most cordless trimmers, making it easier on your arms. There are only two minor downsides. Some models don't include the battery and charger, which means you'll need to buy them separately. Also, charging time is longer compared to some competitors. This is an excellent choice if you want a lightweight, cordless trimmer that's powerful enough for most home landscaping tasks. But if you're looking for even more cutting power and battery life, Wait until you see the top pick. Taking the number 1 spot is the Power HT2410, and for good reason. This is the most powerful and feature-packed hedge trimmer on the list. It's a bit heavier and more expensive, but if you want top-tier performance, durability, and battery life, this is the one to get. With its 56V ARC lithium battery, the HT2410 delivers more power and longer runtime than any other cordless trimmer here. The 24-inch dual-action hardened steel blades make quick work of even the toughest hedges. Plus, it has a 1-inch cutting capacity, so it can handle thicker branches than any other trimmer on this list. The only real downside is that the battery and charger are sold separately, which adds to the cost. It's also a bit heavier than some cordless competitors, but that's expected given its power. If you want the best hedge trimmer for serious trimming jobs, the Power HT2410 is worth every penny. So there you have it, our top hedge trimmer picks. If you want to check out any of these models, I've linked the best prices in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.